And we got an awesome view up top here of the Grand Floridian over there. So we just got back from Animal Kingdom. Where are we going to go next?
The pool. We're going to give you a tour of the pool. Yeah.
We're going to get a tour of the pool. So let's go. Let's go ahead.
There might be a pool monster.
A pool monster.
I heard. The pool. Well, you better subscribe. Just in case.
Just in case, you better subscribe because so you don't hit the pool monster. All right, let's go check it out.
Right. You have your band, right?
I got my band to get in. Here we go. You gotta hit our band to get in. You gotta make sure you got a Disney band so you can get in here. And then you open the door and go through. Hold on.
Try it again. Oh. Yep, it worked.
All right, we're going. Go through. We got a waterfall over there. Very cool. Go ahead, Brymax. What do we got here? And there's a slide over here, I believe. We'll check that out a little bit. And there's a big volcano slide over there as well. We'll check that out as well.
A few moments later.
All right, we got our buddy Aiden and Max are gonna go chill in the kids pool here right quick and run around. Go ahead. All right, let's go to the big slide. All right, so this is the slide that goes down here. But first we gotta go all the way up. So this is the top here. Okay.
Okay. It's pretty along the line, but
yeah, we gotta wait down the line, but that's okay. And we got an awesome view up top here of the Grand Floridian over there. All right, so we gotta wait for this to go green. Once this goes green, go! Wow! All right, yes, go! Nice. All right, so you got this cool waterfall over there. Wow! Another one.
A few moments later.
So behind the pool is the beach. Now you can't go in the water there, they got a fence, but it's pretty cool. Alright, so we just finished up over here at the pool for the day.
We're going to dinner.
We are going to dinner at OHANA, OHANA. Alright, so we're gonna go get ready for dinner. You ready, bro? You look tired, dude.
I'm not tired.
Alright, let's roll. Let's go.
1 hour later.
right, we're going to OHANA for dinner in the Polynesian. Mom and Gigi are here as well, and Taylor is hanging out, lounging over there. So we're gonna head in and grab something good to eat here.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so there's honey coriander chicken wings,
Wow.
pop stickers,
I need that.
broccolini, and I brought 2. Awesome, I'll take that.
How's the dessert, Bry?
Okay.
Good, thumbs up.
Look at Gigi, she's
Good?
working it up.
Gigi's doing it. Yep.
We need some more,
Yeah.
and we keep on eating
Dad? Dad?
until we fall asleep.
Dad?
How you doing?
Dad?
At least some of
2 hours later.
We just got done dinner. We took some good pictures, and we just found another pool here at Polynesian.
We might go here tomorrow.
Yeah, maybe we'll check this out tomorrow. But guys, thanks for hanging out with us tonight at the Polynesian. Make sure that you guys like and subscribe.
To episode 4.
Episode 4, is that what this is? I don't know.
It's coming up soon.
Coming out soon. We'll see you on the next one. The next one we are going to Hollywood Studios. See you guys.